We'll guide you through how to add a calendar date picker in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and so you want to go and add in and have a calendar date picker. This is really convenient because it saves you from having to go and type in the date, and you can go and select it from a calendar. I know a lot of people prefer doing it this way, so we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. So without any other further ado, let's get started. What you need to do is you want to go and come to the top ribbon in Excel. So click on home and come over to the right. If you can see the option for add-ins, great. If you can't, don't worry. What you need to do is you need to go and right click in some blank space in the top ribbon, and you want to find customize the ribbon. Come over to the right in main tabs, and you want to go and scroll down and make sure developer is ticked and press OK in the bottom right. Then you can click developer at the top, and in here you should then see the option for add-ins. But I've actually got it in home, so that's fine. So we can click there, it will open up the same thing. You need to go and press add more add-ins in the bottom right, and at the top you need to go and press store. Now where it says search, you want to go and click there, and you want to go and type in date picker and search for that. As you can see, this is what we're looking for here. You can then go and press add to the right, and you need to go and agree here and press continue, and it will then go and add it in. As you can see, it'll go and say loading. Just be patient while it goes and adds it in. And as you can see, here it is. So to go and move it, you go and hover your cursor to one of the edges where the line is, and you'll see your cursor goes and changes to a cross. Click, hold, and you can drag and position it where you want it to be. Now, what you can do is you can go and click on a cell where you want to go and have your dates. So I'm just going to go and create a column and call it date. I'll just make it bold as well. You can then go and click in a cell, and then when you've got a cell selected, you can come onto the calendar and you can go and find the date you're looking for. And what you can do is go and click on it. So I could do the 16th of June. And as you can see, it then goes and puts the date in there. If you go and get these hashtags like this, don't worry. This is just due to the format of the cell. So in home, come into number, and you can go and click at the top here, and we'll just go and select short date, as you can see, and there it is. It's now working. And of course, we can go and repeat that as well, and it should now be working. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos like this. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon.